Our environment is constantly changing. There is no denying that fact. However, as our environment changes, so does the need to become increasingly aware of the problems that surround it. With the massive influx of natural disasters, warming and cooling periods, different types of weather patterns, and much more, people need to be aware of what types of environmental problems our planet is facing. The Earth will not continue to offer its harvest, except with faithful stewardship. We cannot say we love the land and then take steps to destroy it for use by future generations. John Paul. Number 1. Pollution. There are 7 key types of pollution: air, water, soil, noise, radioactive, light, and thermal, and these are primary causes that affect our environment in many ways. All these types of pollution are interlinked and influence each other. Therefore, we need to tackle all of them together. Heavy metals and plastic are toxins responsible for pollution. Number 2. Soil degradation. Globally, food security depends on the factor whether or not soils are in good condition to produce crops. According to UN estimates, about 12 million hectares of farmland a year get seriously degraded. Number 3. Global warming. Climate changes like global warming are the result of human practices, like the emission of greenhouse gases. Global warming leads to rising temperatures of the oceans and the Earth's surface, causing natural disasters that include flooding, melting of polar ice caps, rise in sea levels, and also unnatural pattern of precipitation, such as flash floods, hurricanes, wildfires, drought, snow, or desertification. Number 5. Natural resource depletion. Another crucial current environmental problem is the depletion of natural resources. We, humans, use so many natural resources that it would need almost 1.5 Earths to cover all our needs. Deforestation. Our forests are natural sinks of carbon dioxide and produce fresh oxygen, as well as helps in regulating temperature and rainfall. At present, forests cover 30% of the land, but every year, tree cover is lost, amounting to the country of Panama due to the growing population demand for more food, shelter, and clothes. Deforestation simply means clearing of green cover and make that land available for residential, industrial, or commercial purposes. Loss of biodiversity. Human activity is leading to the extinction of species and habitats and loss of biodiversity. Ecosystems, which took millions of years to perfect, are in danger when any species population is decimating. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.